This episode of Cooking with Kid Troy, we'll be making mac and cheese. Let's get started.
So first, we're gonna pour the macaroni noodles. This is very dangerous, kids. The butter. Let's add the flour into the melted butter. Stir it all in. Be careful, guys. Now we add milk to the root. So, Dad, can I ask you a question?
You just did. I'm kidding. What's up, buddy?
What happens when you pour milk into the root? What does it make?
It's gonna get thick. It's gonna make a slight bechamel, which is basically a white sauce. It's a gravy.
Oh, but is it for like the cheese?
It will be. This is gonna become cheese sauce.
Holy moly! I really want to eat this macaroni and cheese, guys. Just please. Wow, that looks thick, Dad.
Yep. We're gonna add a little bit more milk and some salt and pepper.
All right. I really want to pour the milk.
There's the milk.
Add the salt and pepper. Bye-bye, salt and pepper. I'll see you next year. That was funny, actually, guys. That was funny. Now we're gonna whip an egg. Go, Daddy, stir, stir. Ooh, ooh. Hey guys, I want to ask you a question. Which video have you liked so far right now? This is called tempering. Pour that in and stir.
Put it back in the pot.
Oh, you're gonna stir it in the pot? Oh, wow. That's kind of funny. Hey guys, I just want to tell you something about mac and cheese. I love mac and cheese. It's like the famous food in the whole wide world than other kinds of food. So now we're gonna dump the cheese into the cheese sauce.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
Keep stirring. Faster.
Yum, look at this cheese sauce, guys. So here's our mac and cheese. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.